Hi guys, I've been wanting to make an unboxing video super long and I finally got my hands on some new toys which I will be testing. This is the first one. This will be in the end of the video. Stay tuned when I open this at the end of the video. And then trick myself because I don't know how to use anything except for this boy. So this one, I don't know its name. Leave a comment down below what this car's name is. I mean, don't, because okay, if the comments are open. Okay, so let's see if it works. Okay. Oh, it does. Okay. Are you guys seeing? It works. Okay. Future on, we're gonna do a test of what this can do, but it's not gonna be dangerous. Because I just bought this. I thought I had it. Okay. So, now we're gonna open this one. Whoa, guys, take a look. Just take a look. Take a look. What about this? This is epic. Okay. I hope that toy dealer put the batteries. Let's see if he did. Okay. Let's see. Here's the controller, the regular one. Here's the regular controller. Here's the watch controller. It's another controller. I saw people use this. And this should be openable. So, I think he already charged it, really. I don't know if he did. But let's check it out. Oh! Look at that! Look at that, boys! It works. Let me just get the strap on. Okay? Hold on for 1 minute. Hold on for 1 minute. This is taking me about an hour. I should have told my mom. Darn it. Darn it, darn it. Darn it, darn it. Darn it, darn it. Oh, don't tell me it's quitting on me already. It does that. I wish I could speed this up, but of course, I'm a kid. I don't know how to edit. Bruh. Stay tuned. Another channel with this email might come out. I'm saying might. That. Ouch. Okay. Oh, it's working. Let's go. I don't know what to do. This way? Huh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. What is it? Yeah, this is low. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for other videos just like this one. And please subscribe. I need give me at least 20 and I'll make another unboxing video. By the way, I already opened these and I already tested them because I was a noob. I'm sorry if that bugged you, but bye. Hit the subscribe button please before you leave.